Hi, welcome to my Toons with Chalk. Today we're going to draw an antelope, and it's an antelope from Africa, and it's called a kudu. So take your marker and let's begin drawing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the eye. So I'm going to make a line like this, and I'm going to draw a big beautiful eye like so. And from here I'm going to draw the inner of the eye, the inside of the eye, a little mark, and light reflections. So I'm going to draw a circle there and a circle here on the bottom, and then I'm going to color in the eye. Perfect. And now from here I'm going to draw the front part of the head. That's easier for me to draw the head if I start here in front of the eye. So I'm just going to bring a little line down, and I'm going to bring a bit out, and then from here I'm going to take it all the way around like so. Good. And now for the nose, go down, and you're going to just do that, and we're going to draw the nose like so. And there's the nose of our animal. Yeah, great. And then again we can make a light reflection and we can color in the nose. There we go. Next up, we're going to just finish the little mouth, and you're going to do the bottom part of the mouth like so. Good. And now for the ear. From here I'm going to just draw a line up like so, and I'm going to bring a line back like this, and then from here I'm going to just draw a little line. You can do that, and you're going to go all the way up and connect it, and on this side you're going to just bring a little line back and connect this as well. And then from here I just want to make a little mark like that. Good, that's perfect. Here I'm going to draw like a smile, and this is actually not going to be a smile, but it's going to be a color. We're going to actually color this white, and the rest of our animal we're going to color in brown, because that's the color of kudu. And then from here I want to draw the horn. So you can go up like this, you take it up again like so, and then you're going to take it up again, and you do that. Perfect. And then we're going to come back, you're going to draw, and you're going to make it a bit wider, so you're going to make it a bit thicker as you come back. Perfect. And then from here I want you just to draw a little line so, and we're going to do another line like this, and we're going to do another line like that. Okay, you're with me? And then on the other side we're going to do the other horn. So you're going to go up, you're going to go a bit more up like this, a bit more up like this, and to there, and then we're going to come back and we're going to follow it again, and as we go down we're going to make this line thicker and thicker. Good. So from here line down, and then from there we're going to draw another line down like that as well. That's perfect. And now for the ear, and on this side we're going to draw ear, the other ear, just like so, and you're going to come back like that, and there's the ear of our little kudu. And from here I want you to finish the head, and we're just going to do that. Good. Are you with me? Perfect. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to actually draw the neck. So we're going to go down like this, we're going to do this, and then from here I want you to actually let's take a pencil first, because that would be actually better. So I'm going to take a pencil, and then I'm going to draw the front part of the neck, and we're just going to bring it down, and you're going to just bring it out like this, because here, right here, we're going to start with our leg. Alright, you with me? Good. And now that we have this line, we can actually go, because the kudu has little hair on her neck. So you're going to actually, we're going to draw a line, a few curvy lines like this. You're going to go down, and then from this side you're going to do the same thing. You see, there's the hair of the neck, and you're going to just complete it like that. So whenever you make a line and you're not sure how you want to make it, take a pencil, do it with a pencil first, then you can erase your mistake. Right, and then from here I'm going to draw the leg. So I'm going to go down like this, and I'm going to draw a little kneecap, and then I'm going to go down like that. Our kudu has long slender legs. We're going to go make this mark. You're with me, and we're going to go up. You're going to make another one. Good, and then we're going to do a last one like this. Good, and from here you can make just a little mark like that as well. And then a hoof. So you're going to draw a hoof. We're going to go down, and there's the hoof. You see it's long slender legs. And then from here what you can do, you can actually make a little line down. Perfect. And then you're going to bring it down like this as well. Good. Then a little short line there, and then we're going to make this little bump here as well. Good. And then from here you're just going to bring it up, and then we're going to finish off the leg. So we're going to actually begin from there, and you're going to do this, and there's the other one, and then the hoof, of course. So you're going to draw a hoof like there as well. That's absolutely perfect. Good, great job. And now what we can do, you can actually from here, because our kudu has a little hump, it has a little hump right here, and you're going to draw this hump. Good, that's beautiful. And now the hump also have hair on it, so you're going to actually draw a little tuft of hair, and you're going to connect it like that. That's absolutely perfect. And then I just want you to make a little line like so. Good. And then from here we're going to draw the hind leg. So you're going to draw a curvy line like this. Good. And then you're going to bring it down like so. And we're going to just draw a little line back, and we're going to draw that same little bump. Good. And then you're going to draw something like that. Good. And you're going to bring it all the way around, and you're going to bring it up to there. Perfect. And now we're going to have to draw the hind section of our antelope. So again, take a pencil, and then from here we're going to actually try to measure it. So I'm going to just draw a line like this. So there we go. And I think that looks okay. Yeah, I like that. I'm happy with that. So are you happy with yours? If not, erase it and make a new line and just connect it like that. And then from here I'm going to actually just draw the line very carefully. There we go. There we go. Wonderful. And of course, don't forget the hoof. Go up, down, and connect it. There's a hoof. Perfect. Then from this side we're going to do the other hoof, the other hind leg. So you're going to go down, and we're going to actually draw it like this. Good. Little line like usual. The little bump. We're going to go up, and we're going to complete it like that. And we're going to draw the hoof as well. And there's our hoof. That's perfect. And now for a little tail of our kudu. And we're going to just draw a line up, and we're going to draw the hair. There we go. That's perfect. Now another thing a kudu has, and that's stripes. It has stripes on its body. So we're going to draw the stripes right here. So I'm going to draw from the neck, I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to bring a thin line up like this. You see? And then from here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drive a line down, and I'm going to bring it a thin line back like this. Perfect. And then from here I'm going to bring another line down and a thin line back like this. Keep it thin. And then a last one, I'm going to bring it down here, and I'm going to bring it all the way up like that. And there's the lines of our antelope. And let's draw some grass. So by this hoof we'll draw some grass. Yeah. And on this hoof I think let's draw another tuft of grass right here, and maybe on this one as well, where all the hoof meet the ground. There we go. And there's the grass, which it stands on. I think this kudu looks absolutely amazing. What do you think? And I'm sure yours look great as well. So next up, we're going to color it in. And there we go. There's our little antelope. It was a pleasure drawing with you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time.